welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and today I'll show you how Face Unlock works in this smartphone. So I'm going to make a few tries and let's see how this lock screen option perform. Let's start. So as you can see, it works really fast, and also it's reliable. It recognizes my face all the time. It's a little bit slower than the fingerprint sensor that you're gonna find here, but it's really fast. So as you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.